Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn the use material sheet metal parameters in the SolidWorks sheet metal. First, let's understand the concept. Normally in the SolidWorks, when you create a sheet metal part, you normally define the parameters like as you see in this drawing, the bend radius, the thickness, the key factors and the other allowances and deductions as your requirement. But when you enable the Use Material Sheet Metal Parameters option, SolidWorks automatically pulls the sheet metal values, like these values, directly from the material you assign for the specific material. And that means that instead of defining the thickness separately, your material controls the values. The result will be the better standardization and fewer design mistakes and faster modeling, and especially useful in the companies that follow the strict material gauges while producing the sheet metal parts and the sheet metal products. So here you can see the material. It says the not specified. Now let's right click and select edit material. Now you'll find the many options to apply the material for the specific sheet metal design. Now there is a no connection between your drawing and the material. So in sheet metal you have to use the costume material. So first select any material you like. For example, I'll select the steel and steel. Let's select any of it. If you click it, it will shows the standard properties of that material. Just copy it. Go back and in the costume material, right click and add the new category. And let's rename it. You can rename any value. New style. After the new style, right click and paste the values. And when you click the ANSI AISI 304 type style, you will see its properties. Now go to the sheet metal tab here in the last tab, and you will find the three options here: gauge table, and bend deduction calculations. Another one, actually four, the thickness range. You can use the gauge table or bend table or bend calculations tables are the already defined Excel tables. You can use them. But as example, we are using the thickness range. Now click add, and for this specific AISI 304, I am using the key factor values ranging from 0.35 to 0.5 for applying the some thicknesses. So first of all, double click it and let's start from 0. Choose the value is from 0 to less than or equal to, that means 0 to 2. Let's say, for example, unit will be millimeters, and bend factor is k factor, and this is for 0.35 k factor value. Again add. Now from 2 to thickness, let's say 4. For this k factor is 0.45. I'm using the approximate values, and while designing your real product you can take the standard references and then only you proceed. It's for only for the example, but these range are approximate k factor values for the AISI 304. From 4 to 6, the key factor, as we discussed, 0.5. Now let's apply and close it. Now you can see choose in place of no material, you can see AISS 304 material. This is an example. Now again go to the edge files and see the properties. Sheet metal, go to property and let's apply some. First of all, select the use material sheet metal parameter. We haven't selected it. Okay, now you can see the change in color also because the AISI 304 is activated. Now let's change the thickness here. First of all, less than 2, that is 0 to 2. I am going to input 1 and see the change in the bend K factor value. As we already entered the value for the 0 to 2 as 0.35, so it's showing it. Now let's check for the 2 to 4, that is 3. It should be the 0.45. I think we mistakenly applied the 0.045 key factor. Let's say 4 to 6, let's apply 5. Now it shows the 0.45. Let's check it in the AISI material. Go to edit material and in the sheet metal we mistakenly applied the 0.045. Click apply and close. Now you can change the sheet metal properties because it's showing the values of the AISI 304. That's how the mm, use material sheet metal parameter works in SolidWorks sheet metal. You can practice by selecting the K factor range for the specific material, and you can change the material. Let's say it's a 2. Click OK. Now for let's check for the 5. The 5 means 4 to 6. The K factor should be 0.5. Is showing 0.5. It means it's using the material sheet metal parameters from your input. That's how the use material sheet metal parameters works in the SolidWorks. Thank you.